Is it time to buy or sell Rheinmetall AG stock? In this video, we will explore Rheinmetall AG in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025. Now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 18th of August, 2025, our system has identified Rheinmetall AG as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.71. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of 5.45%. This translates to an average daily loss of 1.82% since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are expected. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 7.39% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -12.08% and +7.35%. In our longer-term analysis, spanning 12 months, we project a change of 509.40%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance might vary from 491.41% to 703.76% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $2,156.65 and $2,930.98. Our latest daily update for Rheinmetall AG includes the headline, Rheinmetall AG stock price up a fraction of a percent on Wednesday. The Rheinmetall AG stock price gained a fraction of a percent on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025. The stock rose from $363.73 to $364.66. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.58%, reaching a low of $359 and a high of $364.69. Overall, the price has been quite variable during this period, and there has been an 11.64% loss over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume increased on the last day along with the price, which signals a positive technical trend. In total, 6,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 11,000 shares being bought and sold for approximately $4,007,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $439.30, while the lowest was $101.31. Currently, the price stands at 16.99%, or $74.64, below the 52-week high of $439.30, which is also the all-time high for the stock. RNMBY is navigating a mix of short-term noise and powerful long-term tailwinds. A slight second-quarter sales miss driven by logistics delays has impacted near-term sentiment. However, management maintains the full-year target and highlights around €1 billion of finished inventory that is set to convert to revenue in the second half of 2025, a clear near-term revenue catalyst. Recent achievements in ammunition, including a multi-year contract for 155mm rounds and a deal with Sweden, as well as discussions on a Romanian munitions joint venture, and progress on the Franco-German main ground combat system tank, contribute to fresh order momentum and noticeable backlog growth. Strategically, Rheinmetall holds a backlog of approximately €63.2 billion, with more than €80 billion of nomination potential amid Europe's rearmament efforts and NATO's increased spending targets. This structural demand supports high multi-year growth forecasts. That said, the rally this year has led to a rich valuation, and competition or execution risks may limit potential upside. The net impact is that, in the short term, the stock is sensitive to delivery timing, inventory conversion, and contract news. In the long term, durable defense spending and potential portfolio adjustments, including a possible sale of the automotive unit, indicates sustained revenue visibility. though returns may be tempered given the current valuation. Analyst ratings. On the last day of January 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned RNMBY a buy grade with a hold action. On the 18th of October 2024, Deutsche Bank rated RNMBY with a hold grade and a hold action. On the 9th of August 2024, Morgan Stanley assigned RNMBY an overweight grade accompanied by a hold action. On the 3rd of July 2024, Morgan Stanley also rated RNMBY with an overweight grade and an initialize action. On the 19th of April 2024, Deutsche Bank gave RNMBY a hold grade, maintaining a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Rheinmetall AG stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts issue a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Rheinmetall AG. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 11th of August 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 4.19%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term development. The Rheinmetall AG stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $373.25 and $402.85. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 188 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rheinmetall AG. Rheinmetall AG finds support from accumulated volume at $363.73, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.69 between its high and low, which is 1.58%. During the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.71%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rheinmetall AG, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rheinmetall AG. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rheinmetall AG is at $375. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rheinmetall AG encounters its first support level at $363.73. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Rheinmetall AG stock a good buy? Rheinmetall AG shows several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we expect Rheinmetall AG to open lower by $1.88, starting at $362.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.